Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's an open invite monthly color series Tablescape collab. And this month it'll be the color peach, and the host of this is Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Now, the co-host of this collab is Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now, I was really excited about this particular tablescape because I'm not used to using the color peach. But as I was starting to do this video, I was really embracing this peachy coral color. Now, I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody's tablescape turned out. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube? Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave you to some music while I go ahead and decorate this table. Now I'm getting really excited. So of course we're sitting in a cozy area. We lit some candles. I think we're almost ready to head on over to that reveal. Now let's walk around slowly and take a look at this cozy area here, table for two, before I start to tell you where I got everything from. Now some of the items I thrifted, some of them are from the Dollar Tree, some of them I DIY'd, so we have a variety of different things on this table. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Marilyn from Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and myself for hosting this collab. So now we're going to come up close so I can tell you where I got everything. So here, the Dollar Tree carries these utensils in the sleeve, and they're usually in silver. The difference here is that I switched out the utensils for gold ones, and then I placed the flower in the center. That came out absolutely beautiful. Then if we move on over to the stemware, from the wine glass to the water glass, I thrifted that, and so that was an absolutely great buy. I am using the mirror coaster, and I did place some candy on the table. Okay, so moving on over to the place setting. Well, the napkin holders I DIY'd, and the napkin that I wrapped around that plate, I'm absolutely loving that style. So the charger and the plates came from the Dollar Tree, from the dinner plate to the salad plate to the napkin. I think that came out gorgeous. So let's walk around the table and take a closer look. So the runner on the table I got from Hobby Lobby. That was an absolutely great buy. Now the florals came from the Dollar Tree along with the vase. And then the candle holders I thrifted, and the candles themselves did come from the Dollar Tree. Now this bouquet of flowers here in metal, that I thrifted, and it's an absolutely beautiful item. The candles I DIY'd, and so I think this all came together so beautifully. So from the lights to the candles to the cozy table for two, I think overall everything came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.